Good morning, student. Myself Anupam Sharma, and today our video for class 6, chapter number 4, remain tables in the word 2016. So today I will explain the remaining part of this chapter, tables in word 2016. In the last video in this chapter, that time I got explained to you resizing a table, changing look and feel table, and so many options. But today I will tell you about your modifying table. Modifying table. Modifying table. Modifying table. Modifying table. So what is modifying? Modifying means to change some alternate, some altering, some changing in the present table, and want to something change as your desire, so you have to change with the help of modifying table. So modifying table means to change the look and feel of a table or in a document. MS Word provides various features to customize a table, like insertion of rows and columns, deletion of rows and columns, merging and splitting cells. Let us learn how to modify a table using customizing features of Word. Okay, so first we'll start adding a row to table. Adding a row. Adding a row to table. Adding a row to table. One method of adding a row to table by pressing tab key on the last cell of table. Last cell of table. Last cell of table. Pressing the tab key. Can you in the last cell of the table, and then add a new table and add a new row. As you enter this cell, add a new row. And again press and again add a new row. Okay. After it, there is a other method. First of all, select the row. Select a row, cell. Select a row, cell where you want to insert a new row. Where you want to insert it. Insert new row. Okay. And second, click on the layout tab. Click on the layout tab. And next option is there. From row and column group, from row and column group, click on the one of the following option. Click on the click one of the following option. Insert above and insert below. Insert above insert below. To insert a row of the select shell or row. In the insert above, to insert a row above the select cell or row, insert below. To insert a row below to selected cell or row. So you have to you can see in the figure 4.11 for adding row to table or after adding a row to table, a new row. A blank row get inserted to the table at the position chosen by you. Adding a column on a table. Adding a column to table. To add a column anywhere in the table, follow some steps. So first step is that keep the mouse focus on the column of the table. Keep the mouse focus on column of table to left or right of which column is desired. Column will be this side and this side, which you desired. Then click on layout tab. Click on layout tab. Click on layout tab. And third is from the row and column group. From the row and column group, click on any one of the following option. Click on the following column. A column gets added to the table at the position as chosen. Insert left, insert right. Insert left, insert right. As in the row, insert out, insert above, insert down. Here left and right. Insert left means to insert a column to the left of the selected column or cell. To insert a column to the left of the selected column or cell. To insert a column to the right of the selected column or cell. So both figure in the on the page number 42, figure 4.13 for adding column to a table, figure 4.14 after adding column to a table, and next one is the deletion of row. Delete. How to delete a row? Okay. This figure for Deletion of row. Okay, what will we do in the row of delete? With mouse focus on table or multiple rows, highlight for the deletion. Click on layout tab. Click on layout. First of all, click on layout tab. First of all, we will click on the layout tab, and then from row and column groups. From row and column group. Second, row and column group. Row and column group. Click on delete. Click on delete. Drop down, choose. Click on delete. Click on delete. Drop down, choose delete row. Choose delete row. Delete rows. Option. The rows with mouse focus or highlighted gets deleted from the table. So this is on the figure 4.15 to delete a row from table. After delete a row of table. Simple one row will delete from table. Look here, delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 table only. Name Swati, Pooja and Neha here. And here Swati, Pooja, Sonam, Neha. And Sonam's row has deleted. So by the layout column go to the delete option. Row and column group, delete drop down and delete option. And delete the row. Next, deletion of column. Deletion of column. Deletion of column. Put the mouse focus on the column to the delete. Select multiple adjacent column to the deletion column. So first step, put the mouse focus on the column to delete the select. Column to delete the select and address column of the for the deletion. Let's click. और नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन का क्लिक ऑन लेआउट. सेम लेआउट टैब रो लेआउट टैब रो एंड कॉलम ग्रुप एंड नेक्स्ट डिलीट ड्रॉप डाउन. Drop down and delete column. Delete columns. Okay. Last option and column will delete. So this is also on the figure 4.17 to delete a column from table after deletion of the column. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 column. Here 1, 2, 3 column. Name, roll number, subject and marks column. Name, roll number, marks. Name, roll number, mark, subject and marks. Name, subject, marks. Means roll number columns I deleted. next a good option, and this option is in the merging cell. Merging cells means merge two cells. Merging of cells means to combine two or more cells to make it single. To make a single cells. One cell, two cell, merge cell and make a single cell. It's called the merging cell. Some steps we will do for merging cell. As one cell is there and other cell is there. Just a suppose there is an axis. Is the name please? Ram. Is the name Mohan. And what the merge? Then after merging, so the name Ram is both they become one side. Suppose that one name is the A, B, C and D, E, F. In the merge cell, what is the A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the merging option. So how can it merge the? So here are some steps. Select two or more cells that you want to merge. Select two or more cells. Select two or more cells. Select two or more cells you want to merge. Then go to the layout tab. Go to layout tab. And second is go to the layout tab and then click the merge cell option. Click the merge cell option. Click the merge cell option in the merge group. In the merge group. Third. And cell will be merged. Cell will merge. Cell will merge. That's all. So both option on the page number. Both figure on the page number 44. Merging a cell 4.19. Table before merging of cell. Before merging of cell. And second table 4.20. Table after merging of cell. Layout option, merging option, and merge cell. Next, okay, after merging, we will start the next splitting a cell. What is? Sorry, splitting a cell. Yes, my dear student, splitting of cell means to break a cell into multiple cells. Break a cell into multiple cells. It's a splitting of cells. In merging cell, join two cells in a one cell. Splitting cell break a cell into two cells. That means splitting cell is the opposite of the merging cell. Here A, B, C is the cell, one cell. After merging, what will show? You see here so many splitting of so many cells. Maybe here 2 cells, 4 cells. And depends on the choice. Okay, the splitting, break the cell. So here is some step to achieve the goal. Your splitting of cell. Select a cell which you want to split into multiple cells. Select. First of all, you have to select a cell. Select a cell which you want to split. Go to the layout tab. Same again. Repeat. Layout tab. Layout tab is a good tab. It is all controlled by the layout tab. In the merging cell, we had go to merging layout tab, and again in the layout tab, click on the split cell. Click on the split cell. Click on the split cells in the merging. Split cells in the merge group. The split cells dialog box will appear. The split cells dialog box will appear. The split cells dialog box will appear. Enter the number of rows and columns to split the cells. Enter the number of rows and columns. Columns to split the cell. Columns to split the cells. Next, click on OK. The cell gets split. Click OK. Cell gets split. Cell gets split. Okay. Now I will show you in the figure 4.21, 4.22, 4.23. So this figure, click here split cell. Click here split cell. First of all, click here the cell which you want to split. Marks. Write the name. Click here and then go to the split cells. Sorry, you go to the layout. Go to the layout and click in the merger group, the cells, split cell box, number of column 4, number of rows 3, OK, and then where is the written the marks? This cell is splitted in the 1, 2, 3, 4 column, 1, 2, 3 rows. So the table after splitting the cell into multiple rows and columns. So my dear student, this chapter is completed, and today's video modifying table on the page of 41, editing and division column, division of rows 42, 43 and 44 chapter finished, and here the modified tables figure on the adding rows column 4.11, 4.12, 41 page number, and the next deletion of row figure 4.15 on the page number 42, and figure 4.16 after deletion of row on the page number 42, 43, and deletion of the column figure 4.17 and 4.18 on the page number same 43. You have also read very carefully and show the all 4 pictures. Next, merging cells on the page number 44, and also the figure 4.19 and 4.120 on the page number 44. Splitting cells 1, 2 figure on the page number 44, figure 4.21 and figure 4.22. And next, last figure of this chapter, figure 4.23, table after splitting a cell into multiple chosen column on the page number 45. So your chapter is finished. Okay, I will tell you some MCQs, not some, I will tell you 5 MCQs. So my dear student, first is that what is a maximum size of table? What is a maximum size of table that can be inserted using table grid option? I tell you why not present video, last video. So the size is first option B, 10 into 8. Second MCQ. In order to enter data in a cell of table, the insertion point must be in each cell. A, required cell, B, the previous cell, C, the next cell, the required cell. In which cell is required, you will enter the data. The required cell. Next, question number 3. The table move handle has a space, blank space inside it. What will? Here are the 3 options: small rectangle, small circle, and a small cross. So answer will A. Small rectangle. No small. But in the rectangle, this is small cross. Yes. Here's a plus sign. Okay, my dear friend, plus sign, not a cross sign. Next, a tables. The table size will be visible in the bottom right. Answer will bottom right. Fifth, the split cells command is part of design. Answer will be layout. That's complete. So my student loves and whoever do yourself, and after my seeing PDF you can okay. And my next video I will start here chapter number 5. Okay, bye bye.